Avatar Legends, the fighting game, allows you to choose one of 3 unique support characters for each main character. Each support character provides unique advantages and playstyles for their character. Let's take a look at what Aang's supports are capable of. Gyatso enables Aang's air scooter with more mobility by enabling a controllable ball of air going forward and backwards with the ability to pass through opponents. With Momo, you receive greater control over your glider by pressing left, right, or nothing with the flow button in the air. You can also cancel into attacks from glider much quicker than before. Lastly, Appa provides Aang the ability to directly go into flow attacks using any normal attack button. Experiment with all the support characters to find your fighting styles then. You want to see more? Sign up for the closed alpha test now, and don't forget to wishlist Avatar Legends, the fighting game, on Steam.